Hello students, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to start the very first chapter of your science, that is chapter 1, food for plants. But before we move into the chapter, we are first going to understand the importance of food. As you all know, food is very much important for the growth and the development of living beings. And you also know that plant is also a living being, so they also need food. All right, now the question arises, where and how does the plant make their food? Okay, so the first thing that you might be thinking is that how do the plants make food? You can see here there is a plant, okay, and carbon dioxide, water, light energy you can see here, and you can see here oxygen coming out. So what is it trying to say is that the plant, when light energy is there, what does the plant do? It will use the carbon dioxide and water and will prepare its food. Okay, and what happens? Oxygen is released by plants. You all know very well that plants, they release oxygen. That is why it is said that we need to plant trees, right? We need to grow, like we need to plant trees so that we do not lack oxygen in our environment. So this is the process how the plants prepare their food. Okay, now you understood that the plants, they prepare food in the presence of light energy using carbon dioxide and water, but the plant as a whole, they do not make the food. As you all also prepare the food only in a particular place of your house, that is your kitchen. So in the same way, the plant also prepares its food only in a particular part. Okay, now what is it? It is leaf. The leaf is called the kitchen of the plants. Okay, the leaf is the kitchen of the plants. Now how and what is responsible for the preparation of food? Plants, as you all know, are green in color, and that green color is due to chlorophyll in the leaves. Okay, so most of the plants, they are green in color, and that green color is due to chlorophyll in the leaves. This chlorophyll is the one that helps the plants to make food. So what we understand is that only green plants can make food, because that green plant is green because of chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll is the one that helps in making food, right? So only green plants can make food. Carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil is taken by the plants, and in the presence of sunlight they turn it into food. So you can say that leaves are the kitchen for the plants. Okay, now let's have a look at the parts of the leaf. You can see the picture of a leaf here and its different parts. Leaf blade. The flat surface of the leaf is called your leaf blade. Then you have midrib, which is also called your main vein. Okay, this one, the straight one, is your midrib or your main vein. Then you have with your midrib some other veins, you can see. These are your secondary veins, or just you can say it veins. Okay, and at the end you can see here the midrib is going down. Okay, and there is a small stick like structure that is called your petiole. This petiole is not mentioned in your book, but still I have given here. Okay, so the different parts of your leaves are your leaf blade, your main vein or your midrib, and your veins. Okay, also petiole is mentioned here, but it is not mentioned in your book. Okay, Now besides this, what you have to learn is about your stomata. Now what is this stomata and how and where is it? Now stomata are your tiny pores that is present in your leaf. Okay, it is present in the lower portion of your leaf. The leaf that you can see here, you are looking from above. Okay, the lower side of the leaf has got tiny pores like this, which is called your stomata. Now what is the function of the stomata? What is the work that it does? It helps in uh, taking in and giving out carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay, so the gas carbon dioxide and oxygen comes in and goes out from here in the leaf. All right, so this is your stomata. One very important thing that you need to understand here is that you cannot see stomata with your eyes. The stomata are visible only under a microscope. When you see the leaf under a microscope, that time only you can see your stomata. All right, and also like when there is only one uh, this pore, then you call it stoma, stoma, only that much. And when there is more than one pore, then you call it stomata. All right children, I hope you have understood till here. We will do this much only today. Tomorrow we are going to continue with our class. Thank you children and stay safe.